Hello friends, welcome in Bangladesh Math Academy. In previous video, we solved question number 1, 2 and 3 of problem set 1. In this video, we will see question number 4 and 5. Please subscribe our channel to get the notification of new videos. Let's start. Question 4. Find the values of each of the following determinants. First example. In first column 4, 2. In second column 3, 7. We have to find out value of determinant. So first of all, take product of 4 into 7 minus then product of 3 into 2. Simplify this. 4 into 7, 28 minus 3 into 2, 6. Subtraction of this, 28 minus 6, 22. Value of this determinant is 22. See second example. In first column 5 minus 3. In second column minus 2, 1. We have to find out value of the determinant. So take first of all product of 5 into 1 minus then product of minus 2 into minus 3. Simplify this. 5 into 1, 5 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Subtraction of this, 5 minus 6 minus 1. Value of the determinant is minus 1. Then third example. In first column 3, 1. In second column minus 1, 4. Simplify this. Take product of 3 into 4 minus then minus 1 into 1. Simplify this. 3 into 4, 12. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. 12 plus 1, 13. Value of the determinant is 13. Write down given example. I'll take a screenshot. Question 5. Solve the following equations by Cramer's rule. First example, 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. We have to solve these equations by Cramer's rule. So first of all, write down given examples as it is. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. To solve these equations by Cramer's rule, first of all, convert the given equations in general form. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So transfer minus 8 to RHS. It becomes 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. Then find value of d. In first column, write down coefficients of x. 6, 3. In second column, write down coefficients of y. Minus 3, 5. Simplify this. 6 into 5 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 6 into 5, 30. Minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9. 30 plus 9, 39. So d is equal to 39. Then find dx. To find the value of dx, in first column, neglect the coefficients of x and replace it by constant term. So in first column, write down constant term. Minus 10, 8. In second column, write down coefficients of y as it is. Minus 3, 5. Simplify this. minus 10 into 5 minus 3 into 8 is equal to minus 10 into 5 minus 50 minus into minus plus 3 into 8 24 minus 50 plus 24 minus 26. We get value of dx. Then find value of dy. dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x 6 3. In second column neglect coefficients of y and replace it by constant terms minus 10 8. Simplify this. 6 into 8 minus 10 into 3 is equal to 6 into 8 48 minus into minus plus 10 into 3 30 is equal to sum of this 78. We find value of dy. Then by using Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. Value of dx minus 26 upon d 39. By cancelling 13 3 the 39, 13 2 the 26 minus 2 upon 3. Then find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy 78 upon value of d 39. Again by cancelling 13 3 the 39, 13 6 the 78, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6 is equal to 2 upon 1 means 2. The value of y is 2. Solution: x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 and y is equal to 2. Write down given example or take a screenshot. See second example, 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4 and 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. We have to find out solutions of these equations by Cramer's rule. So first of all, write down given equation as it is. 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4 and 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. First of all, find value of d. In first column, write down coefficients of m. In second column, write down coefficients of n. Simplify this. 4 into 3 minus 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3 12, minus into minus plus 2 into 4 8. Addition of this 12 plus 8 20. So value of d is 20. Then find dm. In first column, neglect coefficients of m and at this place write down constant term minus 4 16. In second column, write down coefficients of n as it is minus 2 3. Simplify this. Minus 4 into 3 minus 2 into 16 is equal to minus 4 into 3 minus 12, minus into minus plus 2 into 16 32, minus 12 plus 32 plus 20. We find value of dm is 20. Then find value of dn. dn is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of m 4 4. In second column neglect coefficients of n and at this place write down constant term -4 16. Simplify this. 4 into 16 minus 4 into 4. 4 into 16 64, minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16. Addition of this 64 plus 16 80. We find the value of dn is 80. Then by using Cramer's rule, m is equal to dm upon d. dm 20 upon d 20. By cancelling 21 the 20, 21 the 20. So m is equal to 1. Then find n. n is equal to dn upon d. Value of dn 80 upon value of d 20. 21 the 20, 24 the 80. n is equal to 4. Write down solution. m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4. Third example, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 into x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. We have to find out solutions of these equations by Cramer's rule. Write down given equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2. Simplify this. To eliminate this 2, multiply each term of the equation by 2. Multiply each term by 2. Then equation becomes 2 into 3x minus 2 into 2y is equal to 2 into 5 upon 2. 2 into 3x 6x minus 2 into 2y 4y is equal to 2 get cancel is equal to 5. Then consider second equation. 1 upon 3 into x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. See, here is 3 in the denominator. To eliminate this 3, multiply each term by 3. So 3 into 1 upon 3 into x plus 3 into 3y is equal to 3 into minus 4 upon 3. 3 get cancel. 1x means x plus 3 into 3y. 9y is equal to 3 get cancel. Minus 4. So we get equation x plus 9y is equal to minus 4. So we convert the given equation in the general form. Then find d. d is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x 6 1. In second column write down coefficients of y minus 4 9. Simplify this. 6 into 9 minus 4 into 1. 6 into 9 54 minus into minus 4 into 1 4. 54 plus 4 58. We find value of d is 58. Then find value of dx. dx is equal to, in first column, write down constant terms. 5 minus 4. In second column, coefficients of y. Minus 4, 9. Simplify this. 5 into 9 minus 4 into minus 4. Simplify this. 5 into 9, 45, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. 45 minus 16, 29. Dx is equal to 29. Then find dy. Find the value of dy. In first column, write down coefficients of x. 6, 1. In second column, neglect coefficients of y and replace it by constant terms. 5 minus 4. Simplify this. 6 into minus 4 minus 5 into 1 is equal to 6 into minus 4 minus 24, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, minus 24 minus 5 minus 29. dy is equal to minus 29. Find value of x and y by Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx 29 upon d 58. By cancelling 29 1 the 29, 29 2 the 58, we get value of x is 1 upon 2. Then y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy minus 29 upon d 58. Again cancelling 29 1 the 29, 29 2 the 58. So y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Write down solution. X is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Write down given example. See, fourth example, 7x plus 3y is equal to 15 and 12y minus 5x is equal to 39. Write down given equation as it is. 7x plus 3y is equal to 15 and second equation is 12y minus 5x is equal to 39. Write down minus 5x at their respective place. So minus 5x plus 12y is equal to 39. Then find value of d. In first column, write down coefficient of x 7 minus 5. In second column, coefficients of y 3, 12. Simplify this. 7 into 12 minus 3 into minus 5. 7 into 12, 12 7 the 84. Minus into minus plus 3 into 5, 15. Addition of this. 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 1 9. D is equal to 99. Then find value of dx is equal to, in first column neglect coefficients of x and replace it by constant term. 15, 39. In second column, write down coefficients of y 3, 12. Simplify this. 15 into 12 minus 3 into 39 is equal to product of this 15 into 12. 12 5 is 60, write 0, carry 6. 12 1 is 12 and 6 180 minus 3 into 39, 3 9 is 27, write 7, carry 2, 3 3 is 9 and 2 11, 117. Then subtraction of this 180 minus 117, 63 dx is equal to 63. Then find dy. dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x, 7 minus 5. In second column neglect coefficients of y and replace it by constant term, 15 39. Simplify this. 7 into 39 minus 15 into minus 5. Take product of this. 7 9 is 63, write 3, carry 6. 7 3 is 21 and 6 27. Minus into minus plus, 15 into 5 75. Sum of these, 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 7 14, write 4, carry 1 and 2 plus carry 1 3 dy. Then by using Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d. Dx 63 upon d 99. Simplify this. 9 7 is 63, 9 1 is 9, 9 1 is 9. Value of x is 7 upon 11. Then find y. Y is equal to dy upon d is equal to dy 348 upon d 99. Simplify this. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, remains 1, 1 8 18, 3 6 is 18, 116 upon 33. So y is equal to 116 upon 33. Write down solution. X is equal to 7 upon 11 and y is equal to 116 upon 33. Write down given example or take a screenshot. See, fifth example. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus y upon 4. We have to find out solution of these equations by Cramer's rule. So first of all, write down given equation. X plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus y upon 4. First of all, prepare two simultaneous equations from given example. So compare any two. First of all, x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to 3x minus y upon 4. Then taking cross multiplication, 4 into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 into 3x minus y. Simplify this. 4 into, multiply for each term by 4, 4x plus 4y minus 4 into 8, 32 is equal to 2 into 3x, 6x minus 2 into y, 2y. Transfer 6x minus 2y to LHS and minus 32 to RHS. 4x plus 4y minus 6x plus 2y is equal to minus 32 becomes plus 32. Simplify this. 4x minus 6x minus 2x plus 4y plus 2y plus 6y is equal to 32. We get equation 1. Then compare this one. X plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus y upon 4. Taking cross multiplication. 4 into x plus 2y minus 14 is equal to 3 into 3x minus y. Simplify this. Multiply each term by 4. 4x plus 4 into 2y, 8y minus 4 into 14, 56 is equal to 3 into 3x, 9x, 3 into minus y, minus 3y. Transfer 9x and minus 3y to LHS and minus 56 to RHS. 4x plus 8y minus 9x plus 3y is equal to 56. Simplify this. 4x minus 9x minus 5x plus 8y plus 3y plus 11y is equal to 56. So we convert the given equation in the general form. Then find D. To find D, in first column write down coefficients of x. Minus 2, minus 5. In second column, write down coefficients of y. 6, 11. Simplify this. Minus 2 into 11 minus 6 into minus 5. Product of this minus 2 into 11 minus 22. Minus into minus plus 6 into 5, 30. Is equal to minus 22 plus 38. We get value of D is 8. Then find dx. In first column, neglect coefficients of x and replace it by constant terms. 32, 56. In second column, write down coefficients of y. 6, 11. Then simplify this. 32 into 11 minus 6 into 56. Product of this. 11 2s are 22. Write to carry 2. 11 3s are 33 and 2 35 minus 6 into 56. 6 6s are 36. Write 6 carry 3. 3 6 5s are 30 and 3 336. Subtraction of this. 16 dx. Then find dy. dy is equal to, in first column write down coefficients of x. Minus 2, minus 5. In second column neglect coefficients of y and replace it by constant term. 32, 56. Simplify this. Minus 2 into 56 minus 32 into minus 5 minus 2 into 56 minus 112 minus into minus plus 32 into 5 5 2 the 10, write 0, carry 1, 5 3 the 15 and 1 16, minus 112 plus 160 is equal to 48. So dy is equal to 48 by using Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d. Dx 16 and d8. 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16. So we get value of x is 2. Then y is equal to dy upon d. Value of dy 48 upon d 8. 8 1 the 8, 8 6 the 48. Y is equal to 6. Then write down solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. Write down given example or take a screenshot. In this video we have completed question 4 and 5. In next video we will see question 6 and 7 of problem set 1. Please like, share and comment the video and subscribe Bangij Math Academy to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you.